Bear?
Well, let's see, Wednesday or Thursday down there.
You're not going to...
Are you kidding?
It's going to be nice,
I'm lucky for tomorrow here. But where would you expect golf ball size hail to fall?
On a golf course?
Golf course. Augusta
Good
National
place.
Golf Course. They had golf ball size hail today. Those guys didn't know what they were hitting.
They make a hole in one?
They made a lot of holes in the ground, too. Some holes they didn't expect. Really rough weather in the southeast. We'll get to that in a moment. We had a lovely day today compared to everybody else. 53 was our high, 40 the low this morning. 0.05 of an inch of precipitation the past 24 hours. Right now, we have partly cloudy skies, 46 degrees. Winds north 17 miles an hour. The humidity 76%, pressure rising at 30.03 inches of mercury. Our high temperatures around the nation today were just as they should have been at this time of the year. A little bit cooler to the south of us than normal, but look at the 60s and 70s out to the west of us, and that's what's on the way too for the next couple of days. Let's take a look at the view from space right now, and we see that indeed most of the east coast here is in really bad shape, having a lot of thunderstorm activity and shower activity there. The nation's official low this morning was 4. At West Yellowstone, Montana, the nation's high 103 down in Yuma, Arizona. Storm center, actually a triumvirate there, all the way from Illinois back into parts of West Virginia and New York. Some flooding along the east coast, 1¼ inches of rain the past 6 hours in Martinsburg, West Virginia, and some tornado touchdowns down south in Broward, Florida, also at Stellarville, Georgia, and Laurinburg and Surrey, North Carolina. Some damage in those tornadoes. Also 93 degrees for the record high today for this date at Sacramento, California, 83 in Seattle, Tacoma this afternoon. Also a record high for this date. Tennis ball size hail in parts of North Carolina, golf ball size hail in the rest of the Carolinas and in Augusta, Georgia. Some windows broken down there. And there are flash flood watches tonight for much of the East Coast. There is a severe weather watch until midnight tonight for much of North and South Carolina. And you can see the heavy thunderstorm activity right now on super radar, which gave an outbreak of some tornadoes, as we mentioned down there. The flood watch tonight extends from New Jersey through New York metropolitan area, and there's a flood warning along the coast for Long Island, parts of New Jersey and Connecticut tonight, with heavy rains there continuing to circulate off the Atlantic into that storm center. Or actually that triple storm center, which we saw. Some tornadoes touched down near Peoria today, but no reports of damage or injuries, and that is about the extent of the bad weather. Light rain right now over parts of 11 country, and we see the temperatures not too bad. 39 at Duluth to a 53 at Bird Island, Redwood Falls, 47 at Alexandria right now, 44 degrees at Eau Claire at this hour. Tomorrow we expect that the clouds are going to continue to parade farther east, although slowly, and the separation between the high pressure to the west, low pressure to the east, is going to put us again in a pressure gradient, which will continue the winds circulating down from the north at rather high rates of speed. But the sunshine is the major factor later on in the week. We expect temperatures to be in the 60s by midweek, and we'll be back with the forecast in just a moment after this message. Well, you could have a picnic in St. Paul tomorrow, but your sandwich might wind up in Hastings. The wind's going to be kind of strong tomorrow, but a nice day. Our forecast for tonight is going to be mostly cloudy, windy, 37 to 42 for lows, and the winds north 12 to 18 miles an hour. Then for tomorrow, variable clouds, windy, a lot of sunshine though, 52 to 57 for highs, winds north 15 to 20. The outlook for Monday, partly cloudy and 55, mostly sunny Tuesday and 57, 61 Wednesday, mostly sunny. If that comes true, it'll be the first time we've hit 60 this year.
That's what we're looking for, the first 60.
Okay.
Always good news. Thank you, Bear.